Parenting. It's full of questions and needs. You can internet search your way to guidance, but an article or a checklist isn't always going to cut it. You need real tools, and so does your child. The course packs are designed to help you and your child succeed. There are books for your child that show other children going through the same transitions. We also include playthings that help your child role play and process their feelings, and tools to reinforce new routines. And you'll all love the sing-along songs. The course packs give you proven paths to follow. We curated the best experts and approaches. Where there's a proven path, we'll share the research that backs that up. Where there's more than one way to do something, we'll lay out the trade-offs so you can figure out what's best for you. And we'll share data from other Lovevery families. You'll be comforted to see the full range of what can be expected with these transitions and interested to see what other families are doing in their homes. We designed the course packs to fit into your life, your real life. We want you and your child to feel confident and feel good through all these important transitions.